Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today we have a question, find the integer solution. And we have two equations and we will name them equation 1 and equation 2 to find the values of these unknown variables a, b and c. So if we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, it will become a plus bc minus AB plus C, which is equal to 2021 minus 2020. So from here it will become A plus BC, minus into plus is minus AB and it is also minus C, which is equal to 2021 minus 2020 is just 1. So if we combine A and AB and BC and C, because we can see that A and AB have common A and BC and C have common C. So we will combine first and third term and second and fourth term. A minus AB plus BC minus C, which is equal to 1. So from here we will take common A and we get 1 minus B. And from here C is common, so it will become B minus 1, which is equal to 1. Here 1 minus B and B minus A, difference of sign, so we will multiply it -1, so it will become minus C and it will become 1 minus B. Now 1 minus B and 1 minus B is common in both terms. So we will take 1 minus B as common and we have remaining A minus C, which is equal to 1. Now here we have two possibilities, that because in the left hand side we have two factors, 1 minus B and A minus C. So one can be 1 into 1 or minus 1 into minus 1. So further we will solve it by two cases. Its first case is if 1 is equal to 1 into 1. So it will become 1 minus B is equal to 1. First factor is equal to first factor and second one A minus C is equal to 1. So first of all we will solve its first equation and find the value of B here, because it has only one variable, so we will find easily the value of B from here. So 1 minus B is equal to 1, so from here B is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So from here B is equal to 0. Now we have to find the values of A and C, and also we have these two equations, so we will use it and find the values of A and C. So first equation is AB plus C is equal to 2020. Now we will substitute the value of B here and find the value of C or A. So it will become A into 0 plus C, which is equal to 2020. So it will become 0. So from here C is equal to 2020. It's mean the value of C is 2020. Now we have to find the value of A. So we can find the value of A from here easily. It will become A minus C is equal to 1. So A minus 2020, because the value of C is 2020. So A is equal to, it will be positive when it's shift from opposite side of equal sign. So it will become 2020 plus 1, which is 2021. So the value of A is 2021. Now second case is (1 minus B is equal to -1) and A minus C is equal to -1. Now from this case, we will again find the values of A, B and C. So from here we can get easily the value of B, which is B is equal to 2. Now again, by using given equations, we will find the value of other variables A and C. So from first equation, AB plus C is equal to 2020. It will become, B is 2, so it will become 2A plus C is equal to 2020. And if we put the value of B in equation 2, so it will become A plus B is 2, so it will become A plus 2C is equal to 2021. Now we have two new equations. We will name them equation 3 and equation 4. Now we have to find the value of A and C from this pair of equation. So if we multiply equation 4 with 2, so it will become 2A plus 4C, which is equal to 4042. Now it is again a new equation, which is equation 5. Now we can see that in equation 3 and equation 5 we have same coefficient of variable A. So we will subtract both of them. So it will become 2A plus C minus 2A plus 4C, which is equal to 2020 minus 4042. So it will become 2A plus C minus 2A minus 4C, and we will subtract them. So it will be equal to minus, and from here positive 2A and negative 2A will be cancelled out, and it will become minus 3C, which is equal to minus 2022. So C is equal to minus 2022 divided by minus 3. Negative sign will be cancelled out with negative sign. So the value of C is 2022 divided by 3 is equal to 674. Now B is 2 and C is 674. Now we will find the value of A. We can find the value of A easily if we put the value of C here. So it will become A minus C is equal to -1. So it will become A minus 674, which is equal to -1. So from here A is equal to -1 plus 674, and A is equal to 673. So in the second case, we have A is equal to 673, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 674. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.